It's time for the second weekend special LEGO build report. During the past week I focused on building alternative models of set 42133. I was able to build a Jeep, a material handler, like timber truck, what else, forklift, and articulated hauler. So going on forward, I'm thinking to change a little bit the video format, because honestly when I was watching my videos I got a little bit bored of these speed builds. So from now on my plan is to get a set and make full review, like build and also alternative builds, everything in one video, so it will be, I hope, a little bit more entertaining. So what is coming? Next week I will try to build 5 more alternative models of 42133. It will be on the sports thematic, like cars, and I'll start exploring the next one. It was, if I remember correctly, 42116. But yeah, we'll see. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.